Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's session, we are going to tell you about Ollama and Ollama setups. So Ollama is a open source tools that allow you to run LLMs in your local system instead of cloud LLMs. Basically, cloud LLMs is a cost effective and Ollama is a free of cost. If you are using Ollama for learning purpose, then it would be very helpful. So let's see how to set up Ollama. So I am going to Chrome. In the Chrome, I am typing Ollama download. So in the Ollama, you can see ollama.com website. So click this one. In here, based on your system, you can download. So I am using Windows system. So I will select Windows and will click download for Windows. One more thing, it will run only Windows 11s or Windows 10s. Before of Windows 10s or 11s it will not run Ollama. So let's see. Let's click download button. Then it will download Ollama. So it will take lots of time because it is 1.2 GB. So let's wait until it is not downloaded. Now it is downloaded. So let's wait 2 or 3 seconds. It's not completed right now. Once download is completed, then we will go to download folders and click these Ollama setup.exe files. So let's go to our download folder. Let's see that is downloaded or not. So you can see it is downloaded. So this is the Ollama setup.exe file. So double click in this file. Now you will see this screen and you will also see Ollama version as well. So let's click install button. So it is extracting all the files and then it will install in these systems. So let's wait until it is not installed because it will take lots of time in the first installation. So we need to wait until in, all the files are not installed in my systems. Now it is installed in my system. So let's wait few seconds. Now you will see one screen is open. This is the Ollama screen. So instead of using this screen, we can check, we can use CMD rather than using graphical user interface. So I'm closing this one right now and opening the CMD by pressing Windows R button and typing CMD and entering it. You will see one prompt command will open. Let's see. I think my system is slow. Now you can see prompt is open. In here we need to type Ollama hyphen hyphen version for checking the Ollama version. What happening in here? Let's type Ollama hyphen hyphen version. Now you can see Ollama version. Actually, after installing Ollama, my system is slow because Ollama is contain lots of library and files and lots of storage also taking it. You can see Ollama version is installed 0.17.6. Now we can check Ollama list all the available Ollama images. So right now there is no images. So let's see. Let's go to docs or models. Go to models. Give me 1 second. This is the different things. So I'm going to click models. In the models there are multiple models there. So we can use any models. So like I'm just going to use this model. So clicking this, and here this is the command which we need to run in the CMD. So I'm going to run this command in our CMD. So just pasting it. What happened? That is not copied. So let's go to again this Chrome browser and copy and run this one. It will take some times because this model will pull in from the Ollama sites, and then it will run. So in here I am just typing hello. So it will give the user has simply said hello. This is a greeting. I should respond in a friendly. That's message you can see in my screen. So hello, what what is weather today? Like that I am asking to Ollama models. So you can see the user is asking what is weather today, but is not providing a location to give an accurate weather. Basically, it is giving his response. Where are you located? It is asking in which area you are located. So I am just typing India. So it will also thinking and giving the response and so on. You can see in my screen. So I am just closing right now because in this video I mainly focus to see how to install the Ollama. So for closing this CMD, I mean model, you need to use by. So you can see now I am out of that model. So for checking how many models you have installed in your system, so you can see by using Ollama list. This model is installed in your system. So in this video I have shown you how to install Ollama and how to pull the models, any models, and run that models. So in upcoming video, I will also show you how to integrate Ollama with Spring Boot AI. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you can get further update. Thank you.